MissDarcei.
It looks like I'm naked right now, but I'm not. Hey guys, what's up? It's your favorite bald. Oh my god, I'm actually bald today. I missed you. I look like a potato again. Potato? Gang gang. Sorry, where was I? Oh yeah. It's your favorite bald-headed bitch. Back at it again with another video. You know what guys? Lately I've been feeling kind of off. And I think maybe it's because I've been following other people's makeup tutorials and trying makeup styles that aren't my own. And while it's fun to try other things, I haven't done my own makeup style in a really long time. I found myself thinking, who am I? I've lost myself. So today I'm just gonna do whatever I want. I'm gonna be me. Okay, let's get started. First thing I gotta do is moisturize my face. I'm just gonna massage this into my face. I'm so shiny. I'm so shiny right now. I feel like a robot. Just gonna put on some primer. Oh my god, that was a lot. Oh well. So lately I've been doing a lot of bad bitch looks, but today I feel like being soft and innocent. Today I want to look like the virgin that you guys think I am. Today I'm going to use my Glossier tint. I haven't used this in a really long time and I want to use it. I want to feel fresh. I want to feel natural. I want to feel like a woman. It literally looks like I didn't put anything on. And that's how I like it. Glossier, for when you want to look exactly the same. So normally when I'm putting on my makeup, I like to tell you guys some of the stuff that happened to me in the past week, but the stuff that's happened to me in the past week, I can't tell you. I'm gonna do my eyebrows now. I always let this concealer sit a bit before I blend it out because Jackie Aina told me to, and I always listen to Jackie Aina. So I'm now approaching the 3rd month without my brow lady, and let me just say, I miss her the most. First thing I'm doing when this is over, get my brows done, because this is looking a little rough. So I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows really lightly because that's how I like it. And I know some people want me to fill in my eyebrows darker, but I'm not gonna do that. Well, why not, Daisy? Because I don't wanna. The f***? What do you mean why? Why don't you shut up? Sweet eyebrow, would you be my sweet brow for a lifetime? I love you, eyebrows. Mwah. Love yourself. You know what I need? Sugar. Oh my god. Fettuccine. Fettuccine. Okay, seriously. Fettuccine. Okay, chill. Fettuccine. You'd think this was pasta, but no. It's candy. Fettuccine candy. Why is it called that? That hits the sugar spot. Oh, it's because they're shaped like pasta. They look like little pieces of fettuccine. I got it. I'm still not done my brows. My concealer's gonna dry. I'm gonna take my Glossier Boy Brow and boy my brows. Brow those boys. I'm high on sugar already. It hasn't even left my mouth yet.
I'm high as hell, I only took a half a pill. I'm on some dumb shit.
Okay, let me blend this up before I look like this forever. Wow, I look so glowy and youthful right now. I look like a virgin already. I look like I've never seen a dick in my life. What's a I don't know. Just want to add a little bit more concealer. I'm trying to conceal the fact that I'm a hoe. Now I'm gonna set my virginity with some powder. I look like I ate too many powdered donuts. I wish that was the case. I miss donuts. I'm out of water. I'm still thirsty. I'm out of crack. What is in this? Ah! Sorry, I can do that now because my roommate moved out. I literally live alone now. No pets, no people, nobody. I'm all alone.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't.
But that's okay, because you know what that means? I don't ever have to wear pants again. Who's gonna stop me? No one. No one.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're
Anyways, let's blend this out. Hey. No, seriously, what's in this? And then I'm just gonna spray that down with my Morphe spray so that my face doesn't feel so crusty. Oh, that was a bad idea. I'm definitely on crack. I'm a virgin, so can you guys give me some advice? How do you know if a boy likes you? I like a boy, but like, I don't know if he likes me. Tell me how you know if a boy likes you in the comments below. I think he's really cute and funny, and he makes me smile. Oh my god, what if he's watching this? Uh-oh. Next up. Wait, what am I doing? I'm using this palette from 3CE. This is my favorite palette right now. I love it. I'm gonna use this pink color right here because I'm a pink princess. Yeah. Ooh, I like this color. Delicate. I'm a delicate flower. As usual, I have no idea what I'm doing with my eyeshadow. Just winging it, and as usual, it's probably gonna look terrible. But that's life, and we just have to accept it. Okay, so then I'm gonna put this color right here, which is like a super light pink, on my lid. I keep thinking there's a mirror there. There we go. Look at that. Ooh! Shook. I'm shaking. I'm gonna do this underneath too. Why? I don't know. Symmetry. We love to see it. Girl, I'm your candy. Speaking of candy, fettuccine. I'm really pop rock, strawberry, bubble gum. If you guys know me, you know that I don't like eyeliner. F eyeliner. So I'm not wearing it today. But I am gonna wear lashes because I feel like they make me look pretty. Where are my tweezers? Found them. Whenever I put on lashes, I feel like I'm doing surgery. Scalpel, mirror. The surgery was a success. I need to move. So as usual, there's some tomfoolery going on outside. So if you can hear whatever they're doing out there, I'm so sorry. Next is contour. I'm gonna say that every time I contour now. Contour. Love it. I'm taking my Morphe powder, which you can tell I use all the time because it has a giant hole in it. Contouring is my favorite part of makeup. You know what? I need less contouring these days because I actually have a jawline now. Who is she? Just call me Jawline Judy. I feel like this is looking less and less virginal and my true colors are shining through. Wow, I have a face. I'm starting to look less and less like a potato. We're gonna turn this potato into a potato. Wait, I'm supposed to be a virgin. That was not very virginal of me. Can you believe I'm not even wearing foundation right now? Wow, what a goddess. Okay, I don't look virginal enough. So we're gonna put on some blush. What is this? This is Hollyhock from 3CE. I love this stuff. Wow, that was a lot. Oh my god, that was a lot. It's okay. The more blush you have on, the less bodies you have. I don't make the rules, sweetie, okay? I just say them. Okay, we're approaching angel status here. Look at, wow. That's a lot of blush. If you put on too much blush, don't worry. It's just gonna sink into your face in the next 20 minutes anyway. For highlighter, should I use Oh Darling or Soft and Gentle? I feel like I should use Soft and Gentle because I'm a virgin and I would never say Oh Darling. That's sinful. I use a fan brush to apply highlighter because I'm a psychopath. And for my lips, as usual, I'm putting on 8 different things. First, we're gonna start with this Morphe lip liner. It's just a brown lip liner. This is my Ride or Die lip liner. Look at that. That is me following my lip line. That is what my lip line looks like. Why am I so asymmetrical? I literally have to make a new lip line so that I don't look like a freak. And then I'm gonna apply this lipstick from 3CE called active lady? What does that mean? What? I'm definitely not an active lady because I'm a virgin. Ugh, my lips look so big. Ugh, so luscious, so plump. Love it. Just gonna let that dry down a bit. But I feel like we need more blush. So I'm gonna put on this blush from 3CE called Full of Charm. This video should be sponsored by 3CE, but they plan. Why am I putting blush on my forehead? Because I can. What are you, the makeup police? I didn't think so. Okay, we're gonna put on another lip product. Oh, you thought I was done? I told you I'm putting on 8 million products. I'm gonna put on Neutral Avenue. This is gonna make my lips look so fat. We're gonna add even more. We're gonna go crazy. Okay, one more spray. And now, the wig. Okay, let me stop playing. Like a virgin. Woo! Touched for the very first time. Have you ever seen someone so cute? I haven't. Thank you for coming to my journey of self-discovery. I hope you enjoyed it, because I sure did. Why am I whispering? It's ASMR. So if you guys think I'm cute, could you follow me on Instagram? Cause like I'm even cuter there. Ew. But seriously though, follow me on Instagram. That's where all the weird stuff happens. Every night I give my virgin hair 100 brushstrokes to keep the away. Body count, 0. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I will see you guys in the next video, which will be right now, because you're gonna click one of these. It's time for a binge watching session. Grab the popcorn. You're still in quarantine. At least I hope you are. You nasty. Stop spreading your germs and spread the love instead by watching these videos. And I will see you guys in the next one. I love ya so much.